In today's video, I'm going to show you how to group tasks in ClickUp so you can organize your work better and stay focused. Grouping tasks is one of the easiest ways to view your projects by status, assignee, priority, or any custom field, and it makes managing large task lists much more efficient. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your ClickUp account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard. From here, choose the space where your tasks are located. Spaces help organize your work by team or project, so click on the one you want to work in. Next, open the specific list where your tasks are stored. Lists are where individual tasks live, and this is where grouping options are available. Once the list view is open, look toward the top of the screen and click on the Group option. This controls how your tasks are visually organized. After clicking Group, click on the drop-down menu to see all available grouping options. Here, you can choose how you want to group your tasks. For example, you can group tasks by status to see what's to do, in progress, or completed. You can also group by assignee, priority, due date, or even custom fields you've created. Once you select a group by option, ClickUp will instantly reorganize your tasks into clear sections based on that choice. This makes it much easier to scan your work, manage priorities, and keep projects on track. And that's it. You've successfully grouped tasks in ClickUp to better organize your workflow. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy ClickUp guides and software tutorials.